Good day everyone, I'm back, and today we're looking at this Shockwave toy. So this is the one I got a couple pickup episodes ago. I wanted to open him up, and I figured I would show you guys what he looks like. I'm not the biggest Transformers collector anymore. Every now and then though, I'll see a toy when I'm in a store and just want him. And Shockwave is a guy that is always one of my favorites, and I never had the original toy. The original toy to me is kind of weird looking, and this one looks so perfect to how he would look in the cartoon, in my opinion. And again, he doesn't turn into the gun, he turns into a spaceship, but I really wanted him for this transformation. I kind of want him just to sit on the shelf. And even other toys in this series, like they have the side swipe right here, which was next to him on the shelf. I don't like how he looks kind of goofy, but I was just really digging this, so I figured we'd open him up and take a look at him. A fresh blade in the razor. We'll open them up as carefully as we can, and we'll take a look at them. The box could have been a little better, I don't know, presentation. Oh, I ripped it. Oh, the box is ruined. Actually, it already was. It was damaged over here anyway, so. Oh. That's kind of lackluster. I mean, he's cool. There's no, look, that's it. I figured there'd be a little more to it than that. He's just, God, that's really it. I mean, I saw these instructions on the back. I figured, it was just showing you for advertising sake, and there'd be instructions in the box. Wow. That's it. Huh? Wow. I actually also figured he would be in his ship mode in the box, and I mean, I'm glad I got the figure still, but this is the most disappointing packaging I've ever seen. I mean, I have a reissue of, I think it's Perceptor from a few years ago, and the Insecticons, and the box opens like a book and you can see him inside. This is just, wow, look at this. I am not impressed with this at all. I mean, again, I haven't bought Transformers toys in a really long time, so I mean, is this what you get now for... This is it? This feels... Again, he looks cool, and that's why I bought him, because he does look cool. And I'm noticing, looking at the camera and looking at him in person, the actual shade of purple, he's a little more purple in the camera. He's a little, I don't know, more true to his real color in person. The joints are they're okay. Wow, that's it. That's really it. I mean, he's articulate. His head moves, he moves. He does all his stuff, but that's it. Okay, well, let's get the instructions that are literally the back of the box, and we'll change him. We'll change him into his other mode. I guess we twist the legs like this. What do we do with his feet? Oh, his feet go all the way in. I feel like I'm doing this wrong. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, this little tab comes out. Oh, Lieutenant Dan. Alright, there we go. That's locked in there. That took a lot of effort. A whole lot of effort to do that. These go into here. He's slowly being absorbed by himself. I can't even tell what's next. These instructions are kind of terrible. So I leave these wings out. I feel like an idiot right now. I think I'm missing something. What am I missing from here? Something folds down. I got that. Oh, there we go. Okay, his chest goes up. Where's his face go? Does it go somewhere else? Can't tell. So I see another face right here. Is this? Oh, there we go. It folds back. Okay, so that folds back into there. I guess his face now becomes the back thruster of the ship. just trying to figure out where his gun and stuff goes. That's it. So it just folds down there. That's it. There we go. Wow. So I mean, again, this part looks cool. His arms just stick up like that. I mean, it has like little jet things. So that's the back. Still see his face, I guess, as the thruster. But again, look, I mean, nothing closes, nothing clicks shut. Yeah. What a disappointing toy. I'm gonna transform him back, just because he looks terrible like that. At least he, you know, now I get how he transforms. I guess that part's easy. It's like a speed transform now. Can't get this foot back out. There we go. Fold these wings back in, and there he is. Okay, so again, I will say I'm not, like I said, I'm not disappointed because I wanted him for how he looks here. I mean, I'm not going to play with him. I'm just going to have him sit or stand. Yeah, definitely stand. I don't think he could sit. Sit at his console. No. I'm just going to have him stand on my desk, you know, next to some other figures or shelf or whatever. So I'm not disappointed in that. But if you were a kid and you bought this toy, I don't know. I'd be pretty disappointed. I feel like he'd break real quick after a couple transforms, or just get really loose. So, all right. So whatever this is, Shockwave, Decepticon, Transformers. I don't really have a rating system, but if I did, you'd be rated a 4 out of 10. Just because you look cool, but beyond that, even if I wanted to put him back in the box, I can't. He was like this. I'm not gonna go zip tie him back in. So I mean, there's really no collectability to him. Mighty Megatron, I will take care of Cybertron for you while you're gone and frozen for millions of years in the Ark. Bye.